Watch this video and learn how to draw a rainbow.
Yeah!
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, Artie.
Welcome to Artie's show!
Well, that was very polite of you.
Yeah.
Would you like to do a drawing today?
Yeah, please!
Should we make some art?
Artie love make art!
Okay, let's do it.
Hey there, Betty.
Hello, Mikey.
Hey, little artist.
Well, to draw a rainbow, we must first draw a cloud, because rainbows are made from water that comes from clouds. Your cloud doesn't have to be the same as Artie's. Just draw a nice fluffy white cloud in the bottom left part of the page. If Artie's going a little too fast for you, Louie has a song that might help. If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling. While you were watching Louie, Artie's drawn a second, smaller cloud near the top of the page. Now let's connect the two clouds with a big curved line. And then another one underneath. And another one. Another one, Artie? This is crazy. Oh, I understand. Artie's drawing lots of lines and then he's going to colour them in with all the colours of the rainbow. That looks good already, Artie. Another little bit of cloud. Oh, why don't you do a face on the big cloud? A nice smiley face first. Ooh, let's do some teeth and then shade in underneath black. It kind of looks like the cloud is yawning.
Man, I'm ready for a nap break.
Nap break.
Artie, let's go and find some things that are coloured pink.
Artie loves pink! Look, pink flowers! Pink candy! Yum! It's a little pink piggy! Yay! Pink doors!
Artie, you found lots of pink things.
Artie loves pink!
Not a nap break.
No!
It was a cartoon break. Let's do a couple of little black dots for eyes. And then some bigger circles around the little black dots. How about some eyebrows? Two little black triangles for eyebrows.
Hey, Mikey, would you like to go get an apple?
Yeah, let's do it.
Hey guys, can you bring us back an apple? I don't think they heard me. Anyway, let's draw the sun. When clouds release little particles of water and the sun shines onto them, that forms a rainbow. Let's give our sun a face. Two little eyes, two little cheeks, and a smiley face. Mr. Sun is happy that he's helping create a rainbow. Now let's do the rays of light coming from the sun. Draw lots of little rays all the way around. Just a few more, Artie. I know there's a lot, but it's worth it. This drawing's going to look so good. Last one. You're finished? Wow, Artie, this one is spectacular. You coloured in all the colours of the rainbow.
That turned out so good.
It's amazing.
Well, little artists, thank you for watching and have an arty day. Bye-bye.